Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So don't buy these products in 2020, especially these 3 skincare products you don't have to buy in 2020. I will tell you what are the products and I will tell you the reasons. So before we could get into the video, if you are seeing this face for the first time, hello, I'm Ganga, I'm from Hyderabad, and if you are seeing my channel, it's me Ganga for the first time, please consider subscribing and click that bell button and stay connected, guys. So yeah, now let's get into the video. So all the 3 products I'm going to show to you in this video, I have tried and tested them. There is no complaint at all. They are giving tremendous result, no complaints. I'm not blaming or cornering any brand in this video. So let me be clear here. So yes, the first product is so this is one lip patch. This is from the brand called Tony Moly. Excellent lip patch, guys. Seriously, this is very good and it nourishes my lips. But why I'm telling you not to buy? Because lip patches are something that gives you instant temporary result. But in a long run you don't need this, guys. You seriously need something else. I will tell about it. This lip patches, if you are in a hurry, if you want that nourished lips immediately, you can buy this and invest in this. But instead, for example, this one lip patch is use and throw, and you can use it for only one time. So this costs rupees 150. Imagine if you're using this for a week, once in a week, you will end up using 4 times, right? So 150 into 4, what is that? I'm bad in maths. 150 into 4 is 400, 500, 600 rupees. I'm right? Okay. So investing 600 rupees in one lip patch, that is use and throw. Imagine, it's waste of money and the result is temporary. So imagine, guys, instead, if you buy a good lip mask, lip moisturizer, lip oil, they gonna come in a long run, right? For example, I have been loving this, Laneige sleeping, lip sleeping mask. That small tub comes for rupees 500. I think I got it 3 months back. Still I end up using it. And it does a beautiful job. Every single night I use it and morning wake up with a good nourished lip. So, especially in this climate, winter climate, I have made one video to take care of your lips, winter lip care. If you want to go check out, just go check out. You can just click that iCard and you can check out. In that video, I have made a DIY to know how to scrub your lip. Post scrubbing, I have made maintenance and all. So you can check out that video. You can do that also. This lip patch, is waste of money. It just, if you chumma want to try, you can try. But investing in them every week for 600 rupees is a complete waste. Instead, you can buy a beautiful, full kit of lip mask or lip moisturizer. So my first products that you don't need to buy in 2020 is a lip patch. So product number 2. So this is, eye patch from the brand called Etude House. Such an amazing brand, guys. They have so many variety of products you can go check out. I love this brand. But again, same like lip patch, this is eye patch. If you use this, I'm sure you will like the result. There is no doubt in it. You will get that instant result. But the result, how long it's going to last? That's a big question mark. Now for me, it lasted 1 day. The second day, again, back to the normal. So it gives an instant effect, but it's not going to give you a cure. It's not like a treatment for a long run. So instead, if you invest in a proper eye cream, under eye serum, imagine, for example, that bottle cost you rupees 500 or 700. It's going to come for 2 to 3 months. This is rupees 100. you need to use at least once in a week, so you end up spending 400 rupees, right? So instead, if you invest in that beautiful eye cream or eye oil or whatever that product is, it's going to come for a long run and it's going to benefit you and benefit your pocket too. So again, I'm telling you, if you're in a run, if you're in an emergency, you want that instant result, you can seriously buy this. This will give you a result. But if you want a long time result and you're ready to invest in the right way, I have a suggestion and alternative for this. That is, recently M Caffeine has launched this naked and raw coffee under eye cream. You know, this is how it looks. This cost rupees 575, and I'm hearing so many good comments. This has been recently launched. I'm hearing so many good comments and they are working really well, I believe. So if you want to try, you can go buy this, or if you guys want me to try and give my reviews, please let me know. I will do that. I have been using this biotic almond under eye cream. They are nourishing my under eye really well. In a long run, I'm able to see that my dark circles are fading away. So investing in a proper good under eye cream is the best option, guys. So product number 3 that you don't have to buy in 2020 is sheet mask. Can you imagine? I have made video in my channel also about sheet mask. I have tried so many sheet masks from different brands. By end of 2019, I have come to a conclusion that, investing in a sheet mask is such a waste of money. Two of my favorite YouTubers, Mr. Jovita George and Shweta Vijay, I love them so much. Even they have spoken about this particular topic in their videos, guys. I seriously go with them. Investing in a sheet mask, that is like at least you need once in a week, right? So you will be using 4 sheet masks. One cost rupees 100, means again it's 400. So what is sheet mask? Inside you will have a tissue, being soaked in a serum, right? So instead, if you invest in a proper serum, you will end up using every single night and you will see that result every single time. So, again, if you are in a rush, if you need that immediate nourishing and boosting to your face, you can invest in this. Otherwise, you invest in a proper serum. If you want to know what serum you can buy for a beginner, now I have made a separate video for that rosehip serum. If you want to check out, you can just click here and check out that video. I have spoken about that serum in that video. So the 3 products I have mentioned in this video are tried and tested by me. As I mentioned earlier, there is no doubt with the result. There is no doubt with the brand. I'm just saying this, you don't need this in 2020 and you know the reason, right? So I hope this video made sense to you guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you another interesting video. Till then, take care, stay gorgeous, stay happy. See you. Bye.